Converting between degrees and radians. Degrees and radians are just two ways of measuring angles, like miles and kilometers. Let's learn how to convert between them. Convert degrees to radians. Let theta is the angle measure in degrees. To convert degrees to radians, we multiply degree measure by pi over 180 degrees. For examples, let's convert 60 degrees to radian. Formula to convert degrees to radians is theta times pi over 180, where theta is the angle measure in degrees. Here, theta is 60 degrees. 60 times pi over 180 degrees. Now simplify 60 and 180. That will be 60 times 1, and 60 times 1/3 is 180. The radian value is pi over 3s. Radians to degrees formula is to convert radians to degrees, multiply radians with 180 over pi. For example, let's convert pi over 4 radians to degrees. Formula is multiply radians with 180 over pi. Here, pi over 4 is the angle measure in radians. Use in the formula pi over 4 times 180 over pi. Now simplify pi in the numerator and denominator, and 4 times 1 and 4 times 45 is 180. The degree value is 45 degrees. Thanks for watching.